and along with the member from the Sinjuk. So in that discussion from the Sinjuk, so they have raised their concern regarding the issue with Lumpongdeng, but they are quite firm that they want the project to continue. But their request from the end is, since there are concern regarding this particular island, so they request the government that to withdraw Lumpongdeng as of now. So after hearing the concern, and then from the government point of view, since from day one we were very clear that in the original agreement that there from the government side we are quite straightforward. We have said from the day one that there will be no construction in Lumpongdeng. It will be purely experiential tourism. So that's why, since today the Sinjuk of Rangbachnong came, which are the direct stakeholder of that area. So that's why we thought, since there are concerns from public, because as you all know that we are always, no doubt whatever it is, because whatever we do, we want public to support, and it is for the beneficial for the public. So that's why we thought that it is best at this point of time that we will withdraw Lumpongdeng from this project. But the original project in the existing building in the Umyam Lake, where the Orchid Hotel is there, that project will continue.